My name is Erik, and I really like Hike to the Waterfall by Mary Riney because of the texture of the waterfall. I really like how, it looks sort of like realistic, and like the texture of the rocks is really nice. And I like the two little people, like to like really like get the scope of how large like the scene is, and I like how like you can like sort of like paint an image of like what might be up there, and like the mist from the waterfall makes it look really cool, and like the trees and stuff are really awesome.